Hello, welcome to my channel. Now I am reading the whole headlines of the Hindu newspaper. The date is 30 September 2024. First headlines, front page headline, Israel pounds Lebanon, two more Hezbollah leaders among dead. Next, Israeli airstrike killed 11 persons across Gaza Strip. Second headline, opposition targets CPIM fearing loss of minority votes. Two abducted Manipur youth seek CM's help. 92% of workers cleaning urban sewers, septic tanks belong to SC, ST, OBC group, find survey. Senti Balaji, three others sworn in as ministers in Stalin's cabinet. Atisi vows pothole-free roads in Delhi by October end. In brief, BJP expels 8 rebels leaders in Haryana. Will remain in politics till PM is ousted. Kharge. Now I am reading the second page. In the second page, it is spotlight. Riding out a storm. Now the third page, state. Badalpur case accused buried in Ullasnagar. Next, how a new film is setting the narrative for Maharashtra poll. Now I am reading the third page. It is also state page. Ranjit Chautala among 8 leaders expelled by BJP for going solo in Haryana. TN cabinet rejig. Stalin gives palm portfolios to SCs. On run for 5 days for raping minor, accused tries to kill self. MVA to finalize seat sharing deal by next week, says will win 180s. Dangar strike aims to point out a technicality that has left them excluded from society. Now I am reading in brief. 5 suspended over wall collapse dead near Mahakal temple. Punjab Chief Minister Man discharged from hospital. Now page number 5. Anbar goes all out against CPIM leadership. Karnataka plans to act on caste census report, says CM. YouTube channels booked for defaming actor in Kerala. Now the editorial part. Demand flux, mad doctrine. Planes speak on AKD phenomenon in Sri Lanka. Common practice standard must have India outlook. Then opinion page. Bridging the chasm of global inequality. Cash transfer in AP, lifeline with gaps. What has Make in India achieved? Now, page number 7. Page number 8, text and context. Why are law students at RJNUL protesting? Now, the text and context. The Moolwench WP engine dispute and how WordPress users are affected. I got the entire 6-course meal for free. Now the news. CPIM has always stridently opposed RSS other Hindutva forces in Kerala. Previous governments lacked vision for urban development, says Modi. Centre hell-bent on inflicting ecological disaster. Congress on Nicobar project. Congress demands FM registration over electoral bond case. Now, page number 11. Jobs development on voters' mind in Haryana's aerial belt. BJP's Bhij face farmers' fury in re-election bid, but Congress House is also not in order. Will remain in politics till PM is ousted from power. Kharge. At rally in Jammu and Kashmir, Rajnath takes a jibe at Pakistan. Campaigns end for final phase of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly election. Now page number 12. 9 killed as sleeper bus rams spark truck in MP. Doctors threaten fresh tire over Bengal hospital violence. PM urges participation in Create in India challenge, says it is a huge platform. Delhi constable dies after being hit by car dragged for 10 meters. Food alert issued for North and Central Bihar. On visit to Greece, Navy chief discusses ways to boost trade. In brief, terrorist killed in Khatua, encounter begins in Rajouri. 5 CRPF personnel injured as Naxalite triggered landmine. Now the money-wise chapter, a standard parameter that helps decide the right cover. Should you bin your unused credit cards? Setting up commitment saving. Now the world page. Airstrikes by Israel kill 11 Palestinians in Gaza Strip. China says it stands for Lebanon's sovereignty. 126 killed as floods and landslide batter Nepal. Austria holds election with far-right bidding for historic victory. US strike on Syria kills 37 affiliated with extremist groups. Interim government should make way for a more efficient setup, ex-BNP MP. So these are the news headlines from the Hindu for the world, nation and business. Thank you.